What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Waiting for Fade to Black, and like I always say when I start my videos, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank you guys for supporting all the comments that you leave. We're almost on 8,000 subscribers, so I greatly appreciate anyone and everyone who's watching the channel. Now, this video that I want to upload right now, I've been wanting to upload it for a while. My buddy Robert and I worked very hard on this car. It was done almost 2 years ago in this very same spot, and the customer came to me even like a year or so before that with the idea of the project. So some of the stuff in the video is older, but I thought to myself, you know what, we worked hard on that car. I really wanted to show that car and show it off on my YouTube channel because, you know, it was a lot of work and it was a lot of time and effort, and I thought that it was something different that you normally don't see on the street. So I was like, I really want to get this video uploaded, and for some reason I edited it, we did it, and I never uploaded it. So that's just a quick intro. A lot of the stuff I might talk about or show, even the back of the shop was so clean back then. So some of the stuff is older, but I just wanted to kind of give that intro because you might be thinking, that's weird stuff, he doesn't do any of that, or something's different, because remember, like I said before, this video was filmed practically 2 years ago, but I really wanted to upload this video and show off the car that we worked so hard on. So check the video out, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. They say all that glitter's not gold. Well, I got a lot of gold in the shop, so let's check it out. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you to all the new subscribers that recently joined the FTB Fade to Black YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it. I got a few videos on deck and I'm just trying to find time to get them done. But like I said before, I want to show you guys some cool projects I got coming through the shop, and I think this is one of them. Now, of course, I know some projects are stressful than others, and this one was kind of stressful. Working with the chrome material, honestly, it was pretty tough. It was pretty challenging. But we got it done, and I think it looks really good. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is I don't know all the mods that the customer has done with this project. This project has been ongoing since like 2017 when we first talked about it, tried to get the ball rolling. He did all of the work himself, brought the car to me, and we had plans for getting it wrapped. He had an image that I'll show you that he wanted to have done, and he was visualizing what he wanted to have done with the car. So we tried to put it together and make it happen with the body lines of his car compared to what the image were. So I think it looks good. You kind of had to think about it in your own mind and figure out what you could come up with to make it work. Now, I don't know all the mods that have been done to this car, but I'll try to rattle off the mods that I do know. Number one, of course, you gotta have that window tint, right? I tinted it a while back when he first brought the car to me, and when he brought the car back again, I tinted the full windshield and 50%. He has a wide body kit on it, and I think the kit, don't quote me, I think the kit is from Japan. It's molded from the front fender all the way around to the other side front fender, so the whole thing is molded. I know it has a full exhaust. I know it's been lowered. I know he custom did the headlights, took them apart and painted the insides of it. It had window tint done by me in the past, which still looks good, by the way. So the rear is satin black and the front is ivory gold chrome. We did 5% in the rear, 20% on the side front windows. And now, when he brought it this time, I got the windshield done at 50%. I know it's been lowered. He has Lamborghini doors on it, and the kit that I think is from Japan, if I'm not mistaken. Now, I know right now he doesn't have the wheels on it, so hopefully I can get pictures of it down the road, because I know he has some wide rims he wants to do in the rear. Of course, he got that wide body. You got to do a wide in the rear. I know it's gonna look sweet because I know right now with the factory rims sitting inside the wide body kit, it doesn't look all that great, but man, I can imagine once he gets those rims on, this thing is gonna look awesome. So the stripe pattern going over the roof and coming down onto the hood, like I said, was similar to the other image that he sent me, but we kind of had to figure out how to make it work with the 350Z lines, body lines. So I know it would look better to split it up than just to create a stop from the gold to the chrome. So to split it up with that little black line in between, I think helps it blend in together. We did it on the roof too as well. We had black down the middle and black coming down the hood. So now let's do some walk around. I'll show you guys some videos of the car, and hopefully comment down below and tell me what you think about it. So I will definitely be the first one to admit that working with chrome is pretty frustrating. It helps to have two people because when you lay down that chrome, you don't want to keep lifting it up and reposition it. You would like to lay it down, get it down in the place that it needs to be before you start really working that chrome. I know you've probably seen videos and things on YouTube about people doing chrome and how hard chrome is. And not to mention that chrome is very expensive. A lot of people message me and say, oh wait, how much to wrap this in chrome, wrap this in chrome? And I tell them, chrome is probably the most cost per yard of all the films out there. It's really expensive to use chrome. So I think it helped by only doing half of the car in chrome. But like I said before, it was pretty frustrating because a lot of times I'm used to working some panels by myself, but with this panel, you definitely need another person to help you with it. I got a link to my buddy, Robert, that helps me do all my wrap installs. I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram down below. Check him out, go give him a follow. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this car. It is very different. I don't think you're gonna see another one rolling around Wisconsin looking like this. The owner wanted to do something crazy, so he took his time. I had this car longer than I care to admit because there's a lot of going on right in the middle of summertime. I'm busy, very busy with window tinting, with family things, kids in sports, so it was just been very busy. So I hope the customer can now get his car back. Hopefully he can enjoy it. I know he had plans to go to some shows with it. So hopefully all that can happen with him. Thank you to him for being patient because like I said before, this took a little bit longer than I care to admit. Now I know right now it doesn't have the rims on it, but I know he has some wide stagger fitment rims that's gonna go on this thing. I know it's gonna look sweet because I know right now with the factory rims sitting inside the wide body kit, it doesn't look all that great, but man, I can imagine once he gets those rims on, this thing is gonna look awesome. So like always, man, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you do not miss any notifications, and I will be back in the future with another video, hopefully soon. Until that time, stay faded. Peace.